Are you hearing a lot about stock market but don't know what to do? Then this video is for you. If you're already into the markets, this video is not for you. Just share this video to the people who needs it. In this video, we will see what is share market and we'll explore the opportunities for a common man. First, we see what is shares and who are the shareholders. In a company, many people have invested. As per their investments, they will be receiving share certificates. If one has the share certificates of the company, then he is called the shareholder of the company. In a small company, there will be 4 to 5 shareholders. If they want to buy or sell the shares, they can easily find the buyer or seller. But in India's biggest company, there will be lakhs and lakhs of shareholders. The place where these shareholders meet to buy and sell their shares is called the share market. In short, share market is a marketplace to buy and sell shares. In India's one of the biggest company, Reliance, they have more than 30 lakh shareholders. Now we see the opportunities for the common man in the stock market. Generally, two things are done in the stock market. One is investing and another one is trading. First, we see about the investing. People in India usually invest their savings in FDs, gold, and real estate. Like these, buying a shares of a company is also an investment. On buying the shares of the company, you are becoming the owner of the company. So you will receive the profits made by the company. In stock market, there are thousands of companies. If you invest in companies doing good business and making decent profits, you will get better returns. To buy and sell stocks, you need a broking account. If you don't know what is Demat and broking account, click the link in the description. There is no minimum amount required to invest in stock market. You can even buy one share of a company. Bigger company like ITC share price is 340 rupees. You can even buy only one share of the ITC. Worldwide, investing in equities is the best investment. You need to do only one thing: choosing a right company and investing in it. If you can't choose a good company, you can use Equusys Invest app. In the equusys.com website, under app, click on Equusys Invest. Log into Equusys Invest and enter your investment amount. As per the investment amount, the Equusys Invest app will recommend you a list of stocks. You need to just buy the recommended stocks in your own Demat account. The stocks recommended in Equusys Invest are fundamentally strong companies. By investing using Equusys Invest, you will not give your funds to anyone. You will be having the shares in your own Demat account. Everyone should do investments. If the investments are done in stock market, then you will be rewarded well. Now we will see what is trading. Generally, when something is bought or sold, then as per the demand and supply, the price will go up and down. By making use of the price fluctuations, buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price is called trading. Since in stock market there is a price fluctuation every day, people do share trading. Trading is a business. If you do trading as a business, you earn money. But to do trading successfully, you need to learn it professionally. There are different types of trading. If you buy and sell shares in the same day, it is intraday trading. If you buy and sell after a day or more, it is a positional trading. If you want to learn trading professionally, follow Equusys channel. People who invest in the shares, we call them investors. People who trade shares, we call them traders. Investing is for everyone. By investing, you can grow your money. Trading is something you used to do to generate a passive income, but you need to learn it. If you have any queries, click the Ask Equusys button in the Equusys website and ask your queries. We will respond it. If you think this video is useful, share this video. Thank you.